This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear window regulator Honda Pilot. Begin by lowering the window slightly, disconnecting the battery, and protecting the glass. Remove the inner door panel carefully, use a trim tool to avoid breaking clips, and label fasteners so reassembly is simple. Keep a clean work area and a bin for bolts. If the regulator and motor are separate, test motor operation before final reassembly. Start by removing all visible screws, the armrest cover, and the door handle bezel to access hidden fasteners. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry around the panel and release the clips without cracking the plastic. Once loose, tilt the panel upward to clear the window ledge and carefully pull it away. Disconnect the power window connector and any courtesy light wiring, and set the panel aside on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Quick recommendation and a light break. If you are finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple car repair videos. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It makes hands-free music and timing jobs much easier in the garage. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Support the glass with tape or a helper while you unbolt the regulator to prevent dropping the window. Remove the motor and regulator assembly, keeping track of 3 to 5 bolts and any spacer clips. If the replacement lacks brackets, swap the old brackets onto the new regulator. Reconnect the power temporarily to test the window travel and alignment, then disconnect power, tighten all bolts to spec, and prepare to reinstall the door panel once alignment is confirmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.